What's up, YouTube? So, first of all, let's do a quick hairline test. Look at that majestic hairline. Thank you for the compliments. So, let's start the video. The year is 2022. At that time, I was 18. I came to college for the first time, away from home, in a college known as Manipal University, and I noticed that, including me, many of my friends, probably 80 to 90%, lost their hair or started losing their hair in the first months, and they continued. But with me is that I stopped it because I find out the reason. It took me 2 to 3 months, but I actually find out and I prevented, and I got my lost hair back. And in this video, I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do that. That too naturally, no products, anything. In fact, avoiding products, you can achieve that. And it's so simple and it's so easy. So what you're going to do is that be till the end of the video and I'm going to show you the path. Okay, so let's start. By the way, first of all, we'll do a quick hairline test or hair fall test. What you're going to do is that you're going to take your hands, one hand of both hands, and sweep across your hair, across your head. If you find any hair follicle, for me it's none or even less than 2, then it's okay. But if it's greater than 2, 4 or 5, that means you're experiencing some kind of hair fall. In that case, I'd highly suggest you go to a dermatologist and get a checkup, right? Okay? Now, let's start the video. The techniques. First of all, your hair undergoes natural shedding or what we call as hair cycle. What do I mean by that? That is, every day you shed about 50 to 100 hair follicles and your body regrows it over time. That is not hair fall. The best example would be if you have a white floor in your room, every morning you will find hair follicles lying. And that's the thing, that's natural hair loss. Apart from that, if you go to bath, if you sweep across your head, you will find hair, and that's again natural because water makes your scalp loose. Moreover, the hair follicles which are likely to shut down due to natural cycle even get looser, and they shut out. Okay, so I think I've cleared all your doubts and insecurities. So now let's begin the steps. First of all, start avoiding or progressively underload. Start reducing chemical exposure. What do I mean by that? If you use shampoo 10 times a month, make it 5 times. If you use 2 times, make it 1 time. If you use regularly, make it alternate day, and then even reduce it further. That's what I mean. Go to the internet and just fucking see how much of a drastic transformation people have done when they have quit products. You don't have to buy any product, okay? Any fucking conditioner, shampoo, you don't have to buy. You don't have to waste all that. Secondly, before a bath or during night, what you're going to do is that you're going to apply hair oil or a hair serum. Personally, I use this Parachute hair oil. In our country, it's quite popular. You can get your own. Any product, Mama, there are many good brands, okay? So you gonna get that and you're gonna apply. And either sleep or wait for 4 to 5 hours, then take a bath. That's the best thing. But in your case, I'd highly suggest apply hair oil daily or regularly because because you're not gonna apply shampoo. Shampoo is like soap. It fucking dries up your hair, it clears everything, even your natural oils. And you don't want that. You want to prevent that. Okay, because natural oils are good. So what are you gonna do is that you're gonna have baths frequent. You're gonna wash your hair frequently with lukewarm water. Not pretty hot, but lukewarm, like 35 degrees Celsius at best. And that's the thing. If you do these steps, it's easy to maintain. By the way, again, I'm giving you a black pill or a disclaimer. If you are a man, you are meant to lose your hair. You won't prevent that. But again, what I've said, if you fall into the quick hair test, I'm sorry. I forgot the dialogue. I forgot my English. What I meant is that if you do the quick hair test and you see that it's all good, then don't have to worry. Then the hair fall is genetic. If you see your hairline receding, then that's genetic. Then again consult a dermatologist. That's the thing. And it's pretty simple. Okay guys, भाई एक दिन सबको टकला होना है, लेकिन हेयर की क्वालिटी अच्छा रखना ज़्यादा मैटर करता है. I'd like to end my video here. I've linked my Instagram below. Okay, if you want to join the brotherhood, you can join. And that's it. That's all from my side. Thank you for watching till the end. You guys got a pretty good attention span. Thanks a lot.